Right guys, this is horrific truth, and as you can see it's pouring down with rain. It's never happened before, this much rain, and there's a midget there, but... And it's bloody thundering out here. Bloody hell! Guys, if you could see what I could see. Wait, I'll just stand back so you can see how much rain is pouring down.
Doing a Christmas video.
Fuck off. So sorry guys, that was just my dad, he's a right weird twat. Right, I'll just take...
I'm surprised you're on that, normally you're on CockTube.
Shut up. Right, now I'm going to step out the front door and have a look out for the front door so then I can see what it's like there. Whoa!
What?
See that guys, whoa!
What the hell?
See that guys, whoa! This is a really bad day. See how fast that's coming down guys. Right Jamie? Great kid. Fucking hell. We could get hit by lightning if we stand out here, but YOLO! Whoa! Oh, look at my window. Oh no, I cannot go out any further. Right, I'm gonna have to go to the store, guys. Oh. Right, now I'm gonna show my face, guys. Oh, this is... Right, I just need to wipe the camera because it's very soaking. Right guys, as you can see, it's pouring down with weather, so I might not be able to do my 1v1 series for tomorrow. Right, subscribe to become one of the horrors within. Maybe leave a like, and if you feel like it, comment. Now I have to do that again.